Friend, welcome to Study IT YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss the 8 day in a data science life. So, what is the data science is doing? What is the data scientist in doing in the daily life? So, in this video, I will give you complete detail of the what data science actually doing. So, this video is very useful for the fresher or the data, any of the a student or learner you want to switch the job into the data science. So I will provide the complete detail of the detail what data science is doing in daily life. So the first is data acquisition, so data collecting. So data scientists first need to collect the data. So data may be in the rdbms form, data may be in the notepad form, or the data they collect in the wave form, like the data is collecting from the Twitter, data is collecting from the LinkedIn, or the data is suppose if the collect from the CSV format, the notepad format, or the data can be collect from the different RDBMS database like the Microsoft SQL database or the Oracle database, MySQL database. So data scientists first need to be collect the data from the different sources, like without data we cannot do anything. So this is the very important thing for the any data scientist to collect the data. And the data scientist take the if you consider the 100%, the 60 to 70% time will taken to process the data from the different sources. Suppose if the data in the notepad form, or the data is unstructured data, or the data from the Twitter, or data from the LinkedIn, so all the data is unstructured. So they need to, and they first need to convert the data in the proper meaningful format. Then after the data is collecting, they we need to cleansing the data wrangling. So in the data wrangling process the come, we need to cleansing the data, we need to provide the mathematical, we need to apply the mathematical and a statistical model to give the meaningful visualization of the data. And when the data is collected, we also data scientists also applying the different algorithm to apply the develop the for the machine learning. And the data in the data, if the mathematical and statistical model apply, we need to provide the data into the visualized form, because the client or the end user they cannot understand the data format whatever you develop. So you need to give the meaningful format, you need to give the communicate them in the meaningful format. Suppose if your data is if the data showing the graphical format, you need to give the pie chart or line chart or bar chart. So in this part we need to give the data visualization part by using the different reporting tool like the Power BI, ClickView, Tableau, or the library of the Python. So after that we can also provide the data into data report, like report in the form of the Excel format or the SSRS format. So data can be also viewable through the report. And the third one is data product. So whatever you put data, we need to provide the product data. So this is the common day in data scientist life. So what actually data scientist is doing in daily life. So if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, and I will provide the next more video for the data science tutorial. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much.